present to you the unboxing of a mechanical keyboard. Now, this mechanical keyboard is one of the more expensive mechanical keyboards that we all have seemed to love and adore these days. So this one costs $60, and it is a very gamer-centric design keyboard, as you will see in a moment, because that's what they are making it for anyway. It truly is mechanical. And I don't really care for no real mechanical keyboards that are in color. That are this color switch stuff. I have absolutely no care for it at all. All I care for is that's actually real. This company actually made one that's actually one that actually is their own design. So, hear it. This is how it looks. Very cold to the touch. Very cold to the touch, actually. You are graced by it, and this real true RGB lighting. I don't really care about that. I just care if it's this blue lighting or it's just lighting like that. And it comes with the keycap. Take off the keycaps, replace them. Gold USB port. USB connector style. This non-braided cable, because we know Joker Productions hates non-braided cables. It doesn't look so bad actually in person. Oh, I miss you, mechanical keyboard. Real true one. My Corsair K70 was stolen when I was moving out. A lot of nice items. Yep, that sounds a lot better than this garbage I was using. Real mechanical keys. Now, let me show you this. Let's see, I've never really done this before, so there goes that. And, well, that's simple enough. Your true blue key switch. As for I actually do not know how to put this back on. totally forget what is the company name of this one, actually. Their name is Eastern Times Tech. Eastern Times Tech. Made in China, of course. The i800. I'm gonna hook this up right away. Let's see this. It seems like it's plug and play, and there aren't any instructions either, so. Let's show you a preview of that, see what the light looks like. Alright, so now it's hooked up. And you get some really crazy RGBLED actually right away. It's shifting and pulsing in different directions, and it's actually pulsing to be lower and higher. So let's see here. I'll change this around. Totally forgot to mention, that was actually wrong. The keyboard actually is MX Black, which is actually happens to be Cherry MX clones, which is totally my mistake. They are close to the. They use Outemu switches, OUTEMU switches. That's a confirmation from Eastern Times, which are direct Cherry MX clones. Yeah, these are actually the most best and crispiest you can use, and you really gotta hit hard on these things. Because regular tapping ain't gonna do much. So I am a typist, and I like to have the best, best one I can get. So, and I am interested in these inexpensive keyboards because, well, it's interesting to see what the inexpensive people do. And it's actually an original design too. And this is all metal here. This here is plastic. Metal, so the keyboard does have some weight to it, but it is generally a very nice keyboard. Alright, that's my little update. I should have said that before in the video, but I forgot to. And actually the company name is Tomoko. This is actually their name. 104 key and multicolor LED backlit blue switches for gamers and typists. And it is so far so good. I am very interested in really trying this out and typing away like bananas for college papers and everything else I can think of. Thank you for watching. I guess I got a manual for this. So check this out, because there should be different ways of doing this. Instead of it just, this is the calculator sign. Turn off the screen. Oh, this is a very interesting design keyboard, regardless. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video, and me just rambling a little bit here and there. And please subscribe, please comment, Please keep watching. Please share the video. Thank you.